This is the real Tom Rose. We're dealing with a pretty rainy February. It looks like we've got, for every 7 days, we've got 5 days of rain. So I'll represent this with a block. And we've got 2 days. It did not rain. Let's hope for the sake of the people living in this town that the no rain days were the weekend days. And what we see here is we're talking about blocks of 7. Now, how many of these blocks of 7 are we going to fit in the 28-day month of February? Well, 28 divided by 7 is 4, and it goes in evenly. So we have total rain of 4 times 5 is 20, and for no rain, we've got 4 times 2, which is 8. Now, I'll do a double check to make sure that these sum to 28, which they do. And we've been asked how much greater, the number of days it rained was how much greater than the number of days at which it did not rain. So we want rain minus no rain. And the answer here is 20 minus 8, which equals 12.